Linking your bank to Google Optimize can enhance your financial management by integrating your banking data with your optimization efforts. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Google Optimize account. Visit the Google Optimize website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. You will need a Google account to get started. Step 2. Access the admin panel. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Srug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select data sources. In the admin panel, look for the option to add data sources. This is where you will find the option to link your bank account to Google Optimize. Step 4. Choose your bank. Select your bank from the list of available financial institutions. If your bank is not listed, you may need to check if it supports integration with Google Optimize. Step 5. Authenticate your bank account. Follow the prompts to authenticate your bank account. This usually involves entering your online banking credentials and granting permission for Google Optimize to access your banking data. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Google Optimize, allowing for better data analysis and optimization strategies. Always ensure that you are following best practices for security and privacy when handling your financial information.